Hello, hope you're doing well. So in this video, we're going to see that how you're going to connect the Google Search Console and Google Analytics to the WordPress website. So first of all, you just need to log into your WordPress account and you just need to go to the plugins and add new plugin. So the plugin name is Sidekit. This plugin is from the Google. So we just need to install that plugin. You just need to activate it. And when you activate the plugin, you will see the start setup. So there is also another way. On the left side, you will see the Sidekit option. You just need to click on the dashboard, and here you can set up the uh, Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So for this, you should have the Google account, like the Gmail account. So you just need to click and select the Gmail account, and you just need to press the continue, and you need to check all these options. I have done that before. So you just need to press the next, allow, setup. The Google Search Console will set up, and then for the Google Analytics, you just need to press next, and both of the okay. So let's create the account, and we're going to use again. Just continue. These are the additional access to the Google Analytics. So okay. The social media. Okay, so it's successfully done. You just need to go to the dashboard. That dashboard will go to the WordPress account. So congratulations that on completion of the setup for analytics. Okay, got it. I got it. And if you go to the dashboard of this, you will see after 24 to 48 hours, the data will be shown. And the Google Search Console is also installed. See, all three are installed. So you can, if you want to add more things, you can do that. See, everything is installed. It's a very simple thing. You don't need to put the codes and all that. And if you want to show this, that you can see that how many people have visited you just need to go to the screen options and you need to select this Sitekit summary. So this summary will show that how many people have visited your website, what is the average time of the user, what are the bounce back and total clicks and total impressions and all that. And please let me know in comments if you have any question. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.